Yes, Mr. Harshavardhan Saxena, you are appearing for which interview?
Sir, I'm appearing for P.N.B. officer, P.N.B. Sales and Credit Officer.
Which date, interview date is not known. No problem. Now, can you please tell us about yourself?
Uh, Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to present myself before you. My name is Harshvardhan Saxena. I am from city of Lake, Thane, Maharashtra, and I've done my schooling from Kendra Vidyalaya Station, Thane. I've done my graduation from University of Mumbai, Thane Sub Campus. It's a 5 year integrated program
Please
of
speak
BMS.
loudly. Please speak loudly.
Sir,
Hmm.
am I audible now?
Now, speak loudly. Yeah.
Sir, so I'll start again. My name is Harshvardhan Saxena. I am from city of Lake Thane, Maharashtra. I have done my schooling from Kendra Vidyalaya AFS Station, Thane. I've done my graduation and post-graduation. It's basically a 5 year integrated program of BMS plus MBA from University of Mumbai, Thane Sub Campus. Post which I was preparing for banking exams and I cracked the Union Bank of India Forex. Post which I cracked the Bank of India Credit Officer. But due to some reasons, I didn't got selected in that. Now I'm working in Axis Bank as a relationship officer on assistant manager, managerial cadre, handling a portfolio size of 30 crores of working capital.
Hmm. No, no, you said you were selected in Bank of India Credit Officer.
No, sir. I gave exams for Union Bank of India Forex and Bank of India Credit in 2023.
Yeah, yeah. Recently, it was conducted in more than 100 candidates appeared through me. You also wrote in that you were not selected in the for the
No, sir.
interview.
No, sir. No, sir.
It's
I
okay.
was not
It's
selected.
okay. It's okay. Fine. So now you are with Axis Bank.
Yes, sir.
Which branch?
Wagle State, sir. I am in loan department.
Which state?
I'm Thane, Maharashtra.
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 Good, good, good. Axis Bank. Who is the MD and CEO of Axis Bank?
Mr. Amitabh Chaudhary is the MD and CEO of Axis.
What is the total deposit of Axis Bank?
Sir, it's close to 120 crores.
It's advances.
Talking about advances, it's close to uh, 1,555 crores.
1,000.
555 crores.
Only that much.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, I am not like I didn't know the figure, so I'm blankly going the
No, no, I
thing.
think what you say is not correct. You know,
Yes, sir. I know I'm what I said is not good because I
even
haven't
deposit
seen
figure,
the.
what you said is not correct.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. Axis Bank. So you please check it up once again. No,
Yes, sir.
because they will ask you about this because you are appearing for credit officer exam at supposed to be at entry level, but then you are already working fine. So they will ask all details about Axis Bank and your work there. So, what is the nature of work you are doing in Axis Bank? At what time your day starts and what time your day ends?
Sir, talking about my nature of work, so basically I'm a portfolio relationship manager wherein I handle a book size of 30 crores. Sorry. Uh, my day starts at around 9 a.m. with the phone call, and the day ends at say 8:30 or 9:30 p.m.
Okay, fine. So, what are you doing in between?
So in between, I'm talk to the portfolio customers, try to bring in the business, pitch for enhancements on for the existing loans, Uh, Also try to pitch them about the trade forex part if they are doing into import and export.
Hmm.
So basically, it's all business talk.
Oh. So, which is the authority controlling foreign exchange of our country?
Sir, at present it's the RBI.
Good. Now, um, you are interested in this credit because you have done MBA finance, correct?
Yes, it's a dual specialization. MBA finance in major, marketing in minor.
Very good. Now, let me go to your credit portfolio. What are the principles of lending a banking institution must follow?
Sir, principles of lending, basically safety of funds. Uh, it should not get it should not get diverted for unlawful activities. It should be utilized for the purpose it is given.
Hmm.
Second is um,
Hmm.
sir, I'm not able to recall it. Sir. Sorry.
Now, obviously, hmm, what are the factors? Uh, how to remove this? 1 minute. Please tell me how to come out of this problem. A page, when I searched, this one comes and stops in between. How to come out of this? Kata book.
Sir, just go back to the Google page.
Acha, this is a compulsion. It's to go through this.
Click on the cross now.
Thank you. So these are the points that a banker has to look into, like liquidity, assurance for the future, spread of money. The loan should be given to different businesses, then evaluation of a credit proposal, execution of a proposal, follow up of a proposal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I'm just giving the link of this in our WhatsApp group. Where is my WhatsApp group now? Hmm. WhatsApp is not opening. Yeah. WhatsApp, newspaper, current affairs. I'm giving you in newspaper. See that one later on. So this is the basic question, principles of lending. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You must have been able to answer me this very well. Doesn't matter. Now, please talk to me about what is a profit or loss account statement.
The profit or loss account statement facilitates you if an organization is profitable or is a loss-making company. Just by looking at the net profit or net loss below the P&L statement.
What is a balance sheet?
So balance sheet talks about the financial health of a company.
Mhm. What is profitability ratio? Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
आप ये
Uh,
सब पढ़ा आप ये सब पढ़ा नहीं है पढ़ लिया
no, sir. नहीं
हाँ,
सर ये नहीं पढ़ा सर
ये
मैंने.
सब पढ़ के आना है जी
Yes,
see
sir.
the questions are available before you I have given you all what is profitability ratio gross profit कितना है form of net profit then which is debt equity ratio then
सर
which
ये सर इसमें से ना आई नो दिस थिंग फॉर्मूला फॉर ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट एंड नेट प्रॉफिट. I know the formula for debt equity. I know the formula for, हाँ बस अभी तो ये दोनों ही पता है मेरे को. But profitability ratio I'll go through once, sir.
जो जानते हैं उसको बता दीजिए.
The formula for gross profit is gross profit upon sales into 100, and net profit is net profit by sales into 100. Talking about the debt equity ratio. So debt equity ratio tells you about if a company is in highly is company is highly leveraged or is a medium leverage. So formula for this thing is debt upon equity into 100. Oh, sorry, debt upon equity, and ideal ratio is 2:1.
Not bad. Good. You managed this question well. This question, how are you going to answer? Which sector at present is lucrative for financing?
Exports, exporting export sector is very lucrative for financing because the banks are looking for major forex income, which is in high volume.
But it is very risky now.
Yes, sir, but high risk, high return.
But I don't know. T2, are you there now? T2, T2,
Yes,
T2.
sir.
Are you there now? Which sector is lucrative for financing now?
Sir, I think it's a technological sector because technology has increasing day by day with a drastic change, and the effects of technology comes under several sectors in like banking sector and all. So, in my opinion, technology sector will be the fastest growing.
Mhm. Indian financial system, IBEF, growing demand, innovation, policy support, growing penetration. Then top mutual funds, SBI mutual fund, HDFC mutual fund, then ICICI, Aditya, Kotak. That's right. Now, question is, which industry, which sector is very safe? Which sector is very safe for us to invest? I see the
Sir,
necessity.
mhm.
Yeah, tell
Sir,
me.
infrastructure will be the safest thing to go ahead with in this thing because
That's
government
what
is
that is what I was also having in my mind. Infrastructure, but I was doubtful about, say, your break even point of how long it will take for the scheme to come out successful,
I
because
think we
many
can
of
say
the
for EV,
many of the
EV, solar, and
infrastructure
all.
no no many of the infrastructure projects are social welfare oriented, and whether we can raise money out of that, that itself is another question. That's
sir
why I was
recent
doubting. uh, Tell
recent
me.
recently in Mumbai they inaugurated the Atal Setu,
Hmm.
wherein 250 rupees is being charged for a vehicle per vehicle. 250 rupees is being charged. So I
अच्छा अच्छा.
think, yes, sir.
बट उसका उसका कास्ट कितना होगा? ये 250 इज नथिंग.
But
They
sir,
should
the
have
amount of
they should have charged 2,500.
yes, sir. But it's a long-term project now, so so they'll recover.
Yeah. Okay, we will go with one answer that infrastructure project is the safe, I mean, is a very demanding one and it's a lucrative one. Okay. And in fact, immediately after asking this, they have asked next question to him. This happened in P.N.B only. What comes under infrastructure financing?
Sir,
Can you
everything
tell
related
me?
to yes,
Pardon?
sir. Yes, sir. Everything related to bridges, roads, ports, ships, comes under infrastructure financing.
Yeah. Infrastructure financing can make, I think there was a project in Kochi where they recovered land, from sea. ऐसा भी हो
Yes,
सकता है.
yes,
Or
sir.
some different things like laying of roads, bridges, then um,
Making ports.
Yeah, making ports, drawing something out of the forest, some city being made, smart city being made, and all that will be a
Yes, sir.
infrastructure financing. Good, very good. How RBI adjust liquidity in the economy?
So this I'll have to prepare.
What are the types of government securities?
Government securities include sovereign gold bonds. Uh, Sir, as of now, I can only remember government gold bonds.
Itu, you know about it? What are the different government securities?
Sir, government security, as I can recall, treasury bill, bonds.
Hmm. Government bonds in India, types and advantages. Government bonds. Floating rate bonds, fixed rate bonds, sovereign gold bonds, then 7.75% GOI savings bank, inflation indexed bonds, bands with call for plus option, put option, like this. So I am giving a link of this in our WhatsApp page, newspaper. Please go through this also. Okay, very good.
Okay.
Now, next question for our this boy. Please explain about certain questions are really tough. I don't know the answer. For example, what is the derivative market? You know that?
The derivative market is so basically derivative mean I'll tell you the meaning of derivative. So derivative means deriving the value from the ongoing from the available assets.
Market क्या है?
The
Like
derivative
potato, like I say potato market means जहां potatoes मिलेगा. ऐसमपि इसमें क्या क्या मिलता है, कैसे मिलता है, क्यों मिलता है, कौन लेता है, ये तो बोलना है
so,
ना.
so derivative market is a market wherein we can like trade for future also. I mean, it's a futuristic market as of in the layman language.
Here I am coming across one. India proposes tighter rules for derivatives trading on individual stocks. Here something information is given. India's markets. Are you seeing? Are you seeing it on the screen?
Yes, sir.
India's market regulate. You please read this quickly.
India's markets regulator has proposed tighter rules on trading in individual stock derivatives, arguing the rules were needed to avert risk of market manipulation after recent explosive growth, particularly in options trading. The move comes after two sources familiar with the matter told Reuters in April that India's top financial regulators would form a committee to assess stability risk emerging from a surge in derivative markets. Option trading has soared in India in last 5 years, fueled mainly by retail investors so that the notional value of index options traded more than double in 23-24 to 907.09 trillion dollars from the year before exchange operator NSE has said. A discussion paper published.
It doesn't matter. ये तो बहुत बड़ा लगता है. थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए इसको. पढ़ के मन में जाएगा. ये तो this type of questions, if it is not asked, अच्छा है. पूछने से तो आंसर करना बहुत तकलीफ है. Then I will ask something easy. Please tell me what is black money.
Sir, black money is under the table money.
Under the table में कुछ लेता है आप?
No, no, sir. Being in bank is not allowed. Audit हो जाएगा, sir.
Just joking. Fine. No, no. Black money means money for which is earned through illegal sources and
Illegal
not
sources, yes, sir.
accounted for. And also money is earned through legal sources for which income tax is not paid. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
And added to that, immediately you can also, if they give you time, you can tell about KYC.
Yes, sir.
Good. Thank you so much. Best wishes. We will meet again after you are really preparing yourself for credit management. Aapko preparation is not sufficient, especially because the expectation from Axis Bank people will be higher. If you are an unemployed boy, then there is no problem. I can ask you what are the three rules of bookkeeping, three golden rules of bookkeeping. What is debit? What is credit? What is trial balance? ये पूछ के I can complete the interview. But your Axis Bank आपको ज़्यादा questions आएगा. ठीक
Yes,
है?
sir. Yes,
Please
sir.
prepare it. Best
सुन रहे
wishes.
हो? बनाओ खाना खा के
Thank
भी
you,
सो
sir.
जाएगा